Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone flashing Apple logo on the screen while you turn it on. So guys, if you are trying to turn on your iPhone but it is stuck on Apple logo and it is flashing Apple logo on the screen, here I will show you how can you fix it and how can you turn it on. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end, and here I will give you some possible solutions that can help you to fix this issue. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply make it sure that you are using original charger and original data cable to charge your device and your device is fully charged. So guys, make it sure that you are using original charger and data cable and your iPhone is fully charged, and after this check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that you have to simply press and release the volume up button and then down button and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check whether the problem has been fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply give a recovery mode to your iPhone. As you know that if you want to recover your device, then you have to simply connect your device with a Mac or a PC to recover your device. So guys, you have to simply go to recovery mode to recover your iPhone, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.